Do you want to find out how to make the tastiest honey chicken you've ever made at home? Come with me then. So we want to start by taking our chicken and dicing it into about 1-inch cubes. I'm using chicken breast, but honestly thighs would be even better for this. They're a bit juicier and tastier in my opinion. After dicing, we want to toss our chicken in some corn flour and give it a really good coating. This will give it that really crunchy, chewy restaurant texture when we fry. We want to make sure the chicken is really well coated, so give it a stir. The more flour that sticks, the crunchier it'll be. I'm going to garnish this with one of my homegrown bird's eyes when it's done. This is one of those recipes where it all comes together really quickly, so you want to make sure you're organised. We want to bring our oil up to 190 degrees Celsius and then drop our chicken in to cook. While this oil is heating up, I've got some rice in the rice cooker and I've got a wok on the stove and all of my ingredients ready to go. Because we've diced our chicken up into about 1-inch cubes, this won't take too long to cook. I'd say between about 7 to 10 minutes. Keep checking it as it cooks. You want to take it out and give it a bit of a shake around to make sure it's not sticking, but we're aiming for a golden brown, but we definitely don't want to burn it. I don't know about you, but this is the type of thing I could eat every day if my waistline would allow it. There's just something about golden, crunchy, home-fried chicken that can't be beaten. So once our chicken is done, we want to fry up some ginger and garlic in a medium-high wok with a splash of rice bran oil. Pre-frying your spices helps release flavour and aromatics, and it also helps fry off any excess water. We want our spices to toast but not burn, so make sure you stir it thoroughly. This should only take about a minute. Next up, I'm adding about a tablespoon of soy sauce. This will help add some umami and salt. Next up, we want to add about 2 tablespoons of honey. Give this a good stir and reduce your heat down to medium. We want to get this all combined and reduce it down to make a nice sauce. After this is reduced down for about 10 minutes, we want to add our chicken and make sure it's well coated. Give it a stir through, but we don't want to leave it in there too long because we want the chicken to keep its really nice crispy crunch. I like to serve this with white rice, but stir-fried vegetables or even noodles would work really well too. This is such an easy and yummy meal to make, and at less than $2 a serving, I guarantee you're not going to want to go out and get takeaway again. And there you go. I hope you liked the video. If you did, like and subscribe. Don't forget to make a comment down below and let me know what you'd like me to cook next. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.